Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kids Fun Magic World. Friends, today our topic is essay on how to build a country from Gandhiji's principle in English. Slogan: A nation's culture resides in the heart and in the soul of its people. Introduction: Mahatma Gandhiji, also known as the father of the nation in India, played a crucial role in the Indian independence movement. This essay aims to explore how Gandhiji's principle can guide us in building a country that upholds these values. Gandhiji's principles: non-violence. Gandhiji believed that violence only begets violence and that true change can only come through non-violent means. To best Gandhiji principle, we must actively promote peace, resolve conflicts and living by harmony only by dialogue and negotiation. Non-violent protests like the ones led by Gandhiji himself can be powerful tool for social change. By rejecting aggression and embracing non-violence, we can create a peaceful and harmonious society. Importance of truth. Gandhiji emphasized the importance of truth in all aspects of life. Honesty and transparency in governance can help build trust between the government and its citizens. Promoting a culture of truthfulness can lead to accountability, discourage corruption, and ensure the fair distribution of resources. So, truth is the important principle to build a nation. Community service. Gandhiji believed in the power of services. Building a country based on his principle require fostering a sense of community and encouraging individuals to contribute towards the betterment of society. Voluntary work, charity, and initiatives that promote social welfare should be encouraged by embracing the spirit of service. Equality and social justice. Gandhiji advocated for equality and social justice, opposing discrimination based on caste, religion, or gender. A country built on his principle should endeavor to eradicate inequality and injustice. Equality of education, healthcare, and all areas is important. Special efforts should be made to uplift marginalized communities and empower women. Self-reliance. Self-reliance was a core principle of Gandhiji's philosophy. He believed that economic independence was essential for a nation's progress and self-respect. By reducing dependency on imports and promoting local industries, we can create more job opportunities and strengthen the economy. A nation built on Gandhiji principles should strive for economic independence and sustainable development. Conclusion: Gandhiji's principle of non-violence, truth, self-reliance, and equality provide a roadmap for building a country based on compassion, justice, and harmony. Thank you friends for watching my video. Friends, I hope you like my video. Friends, if you like my video, so please subscribe, share this video, and friends, if you want another essay on this topic, so it is also available. You can check the playlist. Bye friends.